It's not by chance that bioMérieux is the diagnostics leader in infectious diseases, especially in microbiology. We excel for 3 simple reasons. We're agile where it counts. Our unique structure and financial autonomy allow us to navigate economic and geopolitical turbulence without losing momentum. We innovate with purpose. We bring voice of customer and market realities into the process from day one, so our solutions address the real-world challenges our customers face. And most importantly, we have people who care deeply. Our teams live a customer-first mindset. They lean in, go further, and take pride in elevating the customer experience to make our customers satisfied and genuinely happy. In today's challenging environment, healthcare professionals need trusted partners they can truly rely on to deliver innovative diagnostic solutions. This past year, we've strengthened that promise, continuing the rollout of VITEC Compact Pro, supporting small and mid-volume labs, securing CE-IVDR marking for the BioFire Spotfire mini respiratory panel, and investing in manufacturing to further automate BioFire pouch production and expand capacity. We are still driving antimicrobial stewardship with LUMED, our data-driven clinical decision support tool that helps healthcare professionals identify non-optimal antibiotic use and monitor hospital-acquired infections in local practices and workflows. For all these reasons and more, healthcare professionals around the globe know they can count on bioMérieux to deliver and keep delivering high-quality diagnostic solutions. I come to ESCMID because I want to hear directly from our customers. What's working, what's changing, and where we need to focus next. And I can personally guarantee that bioMérieux is committed to moving faster and choosing smarter to continue bringing meaningful, innovative infectious disease diagnostics to the world now and in the years ahead, supporting our global mission to improve public health.